Hey everybody, I'm Tom LeBlanc. I'm the editor of Commercial Integrator. I'm here with Bob Archer, CI's Technology and Products Editor. We were lucky we got a chance to check out the Revolabs Executive Elite Wireless Microphone System. We got to spend some time with it, and we got to talk to John McGarry, Field Systems Engineer for Revolabs, and Holger Stolz, Senior Product Manager. Let's take a look at our product snapshot of the Revolabs Executive Elite Wireless Microphone System.
So what are we looking at here?
This is the Executive Elite. What we have are 3 separate units that all ship in the same box. So when you order the Executive Elite, it comes in either a 4-channel system or an 8-channel system, and you can expand those up to 44 microphones in a single transmission space. So whether that's in one room or maybe rooms that are all close proximity to each other. We operate in the DECT spectrum, which is an internationally protected space. And in North America, we transmit in the 1.9 gigahertz range. So that really alleviates any concerns that a customer would have over the FCC selling off frequency bands and all of a sudden your wireless technology is not working, which you do see in some of the other bands in the RF space. So the first thing you have here is the base. This is where you're going to connect to your mixer, your DSP. You have a remote antenna that connects to this receiver base via Ethernet and gets PoE from the box. And this antenna would be either terminated on your ceiling, on the wall. It looks like a wireless access point that you're going to find, throughout any enterprise, any office space. And then the charger tray, where the microphones will be charging when they're not in use.
Can you tell me a little bit about the range of the system, and secondly, how secure is the wireless system?
Sure. With this access point, which is our remote antenna, you have up to 300 feet of range from direct line of sight of this antenna. So certainly for your larger lecture halls, bigger spaces. On the encryption portion of it, we do 256 AES encryption. One thing that we do differently than anybody else out there is that we actually are constantly rekeying that encryption dynamically while the microphone is transmitting.
What do you have in terms of digital audio networking?
We have AVB available on every Elite receiver. We found that we wanted to go with something that is an open standard and that we also find other players in the market adopting that as digital output and inputs on their devices as well. So it's a web-based interface that you can set the receiver on the network. And here's where you're going to do your initial setup and configuration of the system, where you can first pair your microphones through the GUI, but also do some audio settings and RF configuration settings. And then after that, you can also use this interface as a way to monitor the system while it's being in use, and to allow that customer or reseller the visibility into the system while it's being deployed.
So with a wireless mic solution, there's always that potential for the end users to kind of leave it out and forget to charge it, and then it's not charged at the start of a meeting or a presentation.
We came out with the crossover adapter. What the crossover adapter allows the integrator to do is provide a solution where you can either permanently mount a wireless microphone to the table and power it, where you can't move it at all, or allow just the charging contact to be on the table so that you can charge the microphone on the table and use it at the same time.
Bob also got a chance to talk to Holger a little bit about the more big picture benefits of the system.
Can you tell me what makes this product unique within the marketplace?
It's really the audio experience. With a wireless microphone system, you are able to bring the microphone way closer to the speaker, therefore having better audio capture of what's being said, improving the audio experience of people at the far end significantly.
Yeah, Bob, so for me, the thing that really struck me is that Revolabs is an audio company, and I feel like they brought a lot of that, audio mindset to a solution for audio and video conferencing that I think integrators can really kind of cling to. And also the different mic options. That was one of the big things for me. For you, what were some of the big takeaways?
Yeah, I agree about the mic options. I think that's a very compelling point of the system. Beyond that, I think the encryption that they're using with the AES capabilities, users can feel secure whether they're in a bank environment, whether they're in a office environment, they can feel safe that what they're talking about will remain within those four walls. I think the last point that is noteworthy too is it'll install into a new or older office environment nice and easily.
Yeah, so thanks to Revolabs for letting us check out the Revolabs Executive Elite Wireless Microphone System. That's our product snapshot. You want more information on the product, check out revolabs.com. I'm Tom LeBlanc, editor of Commercial Integrator. This is Bob Archer, CI's Technology and Products Editor. We'll see you next time.